Poland has set a deadline for British nationals to apply for a residence permit under the Withdrawal Agreement. The Polish government is urging British nationals living in Poland to apply for residence status, otherwise, they will lose their right to continue living in Poland with the same rights as EU nationals. In this video, we discuss the time period for British nationals in Poland to apply for a residence permit and retain their rights as EU nationals after Brexit. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration-and-migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. British nationals have until the end of December 2021 to apply for a residence permit in Poland in order to retain their rights under the Withdrawal Agreement brought by Brexit. According to a press release issued by the Polish Office for Foreigners, British nationals can replace their residence permits until the 31st of December. The office calls on citizens of the United Kingdom to apply for the document as soon as possible, and reveals that over 3,000 have filed applications for residence permits. The Withdrawal Agreement includes rules regarding the stay of UK citizens in Poland. Since the 1st of January, they are allowed to stay in Poland if they have been using the residence right under EU laws before December 2020, and if they decide to remain in Poland. Moreover, the residence permits issued to British nationals before the 31st of December 2020 are recognised as valid until their expiry date. However, those permits will cease being valid after the 31st of December 2021. Until then, those who benefited from the Withdrawal Agreement are allowed to apply for a document replacement. British nationals who do not hold a residence permit can register their stay and apply for a residence card. Applicants who submit their application by the 31st of December 2021 will receive an application certificate valid for 1 year, serving as a temporary residence permit, the press release explains. As of the 1st of January 2021, British nationals moving to any EU member state have to apply for a visa for employment or studies, the same as all third country nationals do. Additionally, British nationals must also apply for a visa if they plan to stay in the EU, Switzerland, Iceland, or Norway for more than 90 days in any 180 days period. There is no need for British nationals to get a visa for stays less than 90 days. The British government announced that, from the 1st of October 2021, most EU, EEA, and Swiss citizens will need a valid passport to enter the UK, as the British government stops accepting national identity cards as a travel document. As the UK has officially left the EU, there has been a default stringent of measures. Previously, the UK Home Office data revealed that 3,294 EU passengers were prohibited from entering the UK in the January-March period. This number has significantly increased compared to 2020, when only 493 Europeans were not allowed to visit the UK. Have you settled your resident status in Poland? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.